How to fix Facebook Marketplace not working. So you might be in the position where you want to purchase or sell anything from Facebook Marketplace, but you are not being able to and it's not working. Also, if the marketplace option is not showing, then what you want to do is move into menu at the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and you see the option of tab bar. Click on tab bar and move into it. Head over to customize the bar. Make sure that the marketplace is pinned. If not, then simply pin this option. Once done, the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store. Search for the application Facebook. Move into this app, but you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. If not, tap on Resume or Update to update the application. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, and you might be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.